Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's topic is sneezing during the salat. When you sneeze, what should you do when you are praying alone or praying with Jama'ah? And what will you say, inshallah?
Sneezing is from Allah, so it's out of your control. But when you sneeze during the salat, you should say Alhamdulillah privately, means between you and yourself. This is when you are alone, and when you are Jama'ah, you will do the same. Okay, this is according to Madhab al-Malaki. And according to Madhab al-Hanbali, when you sneeze during the salat with Jama'ah, you should say Alhamdulillah if you want to say it in a louder voice, and no one from the one who pray with you will say to you Rahimakallah. They should keep it secret.